Hello, good morning to all my students. Today ma'am here to teach you GK, General Knowledge. Okay. All of you take out your textbook, then open page number 219. 219. Yes. Our chapter name is chapter 8, Famous Monuments. Okay, famous monuments. Say loudly children, famous monuments. Okay. Yes. Here we have 4 famous monuments. Look at the first picture children. Yes. This is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is in Agra. Yes. Look at the picture, that is Taj Mahal. Okay. Taj Mahal. T-A-J-M-A-H-A-L. All of you write down the T-A-J-M-A-H-A-L. Taj Mahal. Okay. This is one of the 7 wonders. Is it clear? That is Taj Mahal. All of you write down using your pencil. Then second picture. Look at the second picture. Yes, this is an important place of worship for the Sikhs. It is in Amritsar. Okay. This is an important place of worship for the Sikhs. It is in Amritsar. Yes. That is Golden Temple. Golden Temple. All of you write down the Golden Temple. G-O-L-D-E-N-T-E-M-P-L-E. Yes, G-O-L-D-E-N-T-E-M-P-L-E. Golden Temple. Is it clear? Yes. Then next one. Look at the picture. This is the second tallest minar in India. It is in Delhi. Okay, this is the second tallest minar in India. It is in Delhi. That is Qutub Minar. Okay, Qutub Minar. Say loudly children, Qutub Minar. All of you write down the Q-U-T-B-M-I-N-A-R. Q-U-T-B-M-I-N-A-R. Qutub Minar. Okay. Then last one. Look at the picture. The Prime Minister gives a speech to the people from here on Independence Day. It is in Delhi. It is in Delhi. Yes, that is Red Fort. Okay, Red Fort. R-E-D-F-O-R-T. Red Fort. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Here we learn 4 famous monuments in India. First one is Taj Mahal. First one, Taj Mahal. This is the one of the 7 wonders in India. It is in Agra. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Then second one is Golden Temple. Yes, this is an important place of worship for Sikh. It is in Amritsar. Then third picture is Qutub Minar. This is the second tallest minar in India. Second tallest minar in India is Qutub Minar. It is also in Delhi. Then fourth one is Red Fort. Yes, the Prime Minister gives a speech to the people from here on Independence Day. It's also in Delhi. That is Red Fort. Is it clear children? Yes. Do you all finish writing? Yes. Then take out your notebook. Take a fresh page. Put on date. Then write down the chapter name. Famous Monuments. Okay. Then underline. Then you have to copy the textbook into the notebook. Okay, same as into the notebook. First one, put 1, then write down this is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay, it is in Agra. Then write down the answer, Taj Mahal. Copy the same into the notebook. This is your homework for this chapter, Famous Monuments. Then second one, you have to write, this is an important place of worship for the Sikhs. It is in Amritsar. Then write down the answer, Golden Temple. Okay, like that you have to finish this page. Okay. Yes. Then next page, turn your page children. Open page number 220. Healthy habits. Healthy habits. Yes, we learned so many good habits, isn't it? Yes. Good health makes us active and strong. It keeps us fit and makes us happy in life. Take the correct answer to learn more about good healthy habits. Here we are going to learn about good healthy habits. Good healthy habits. Okay. Here we can see some pictures. These are some pictures showing the good healthy habits. Let me read. First one, brush your teeth. Here you have two options, once or twice every day. Yes, what is your answer, children? Very good, twice. It is necessary to brush our teeth twice in a day. Okay. Yes, brush your teeth twice every day. So you have to tick twice. Second one, wash your hands before and after every meal or lesson. Yes, what is your answer? Very good, meal. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Okay. Third one, rinse your mouth after eating to protect your nose or teeth from germs. Yes, rinse your mouth after eating to protect your teeth from germs. So all of you tick teeth. Yes, you should take good care for your teeth. Okay. Fourth one, never read or tear books in low light. Yes, never read. Okay, never read books in low light. Okay, it's not good for our eyes. Fifth one, always rub or wash your eyes if anything gets into them. Yes, always wash your eyes if anything gets into them. Then sixth one, put waste in a dustbin or trunk to keep your house clean. Yes, put waste in a dustbin. Okay, put waste in a dustbin to keep your house clean. Okay, is it clear, children? Yes, these are some healthy good habits. Okay, then let me read. Brush your teeth twice every day. Second one, wash your hands before and after every meal. Third one, rinse your mouth after eating to protect your teeth from germs. Third one, never read books in low light. Fifth one, always wash your eyes if anything gets into them. Sixth one, put waste in a dustbin to keep your house clean. Is it clear? Yes. So, your homework for this chapter is take out your notebook. Yes, put on date, then write down the chapter name, chapter 9, healthy habits. Then you have to copy the textbook, same as into your notebook. Okay. You have to write the good healthy habits, then underline, then put one, then write down, brush your teeth twice every day. Second one, wash your hands before and after every meal. Okay, you have to do like this. Okay, copy the same textbook into your notebook. This is your homework for this chapter. Okay. Okay, children, today we learned about famous monuments and some good healthy habits, isn't it? Yes. So, all of you read the chapter very well at your home and also do your notebook work. Okay, thank you, children. Let's meet in the next class.